Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The CEO of leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance, Changpeng CZ Zhao, called on members of the crypto community to take personal control of their digital assets using Trust Wallet, sending the app's native token, TWT, to a record high. OPEC cut its forecast for 2022 global oil demand growth for a fifth time since April and further trimmed next year's figure, citing mounting economic challenges, including high inflation and rising interest rates. Chinese property stocks and bonds soared as the market cheered Beijing's most comprehensive support measures aimed at boosting liquidity in the sector in its latest attempt to stabilize a key pillar for the world's second largest economy. The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound fall 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.5% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.4% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The US Redbook Index will be released at 13:55 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 1330 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.